1. Which of the following is not true regarding saliva? A. It contains digestive enzymes. C. It doesn't have any role in swallowing of food. B. It is a colorless fluid. D. It is secreted by salivary glands. The correct option is C. It doesn't have any role in swallowing of food. 2. Most of the water in the alimentary tract is absorbed through A. Esophagus. B. Large intestine. C. Stomach. D. Small intestine. The correct option is B. Large intestine. 3. Villi are not found in A. Colon. B. Stomach. C. Ileum. D. Jejunum. The correct option is B. Stomach. 4. A tooth is made up of a solid bony tissue known as A. Root. B. Crown. C. Enamel. D. Dentine. The correct option is D. Dentine. 5. Which is the largest internal organ in the human body? B. Pancreas. A. Liver. C. Large intestine. D. Small intestine. The correct option is A. Liver. 6. The surface of the crown of the tooth is covered with a strong protective layer called A. Cavity. B. Enamel. C. Dentine. D. Root. The correct option is B. Enamel. 7. Which of the following prevents food from entering the trachea, windpipe? A. Larynx. B. Epiglottis. C. Pharynx. D. Glottis. The correct option is B. Epiglottis. 8. Which is not a part of the small intestine? A. Cecum. B. Duodenum. C. Jejunum. D. Ileum. The correct option is A. Cecum. 9. Which of the following is the common passage for the food eaten and the air breathed? A. Esophagus. B. Larynx. C. Trachea. D. Pharynx. The correct option is D. Pharynx. 10. There are pairs of salivary glands present in the mouth. A. 2. B. 3. C. 4. D. 6. The correct option is B. 3. 11. Which is not a part of the large intestine? A. Ileum. B. Cecum. C. Rectum. D. Colon. The correct option is A. Ileum. 12. Tuft of capillaries inside the Malpighian body is known as A. Glomerulus. B. Collecting ducts. C. Nephrons. D. Renal artery. The correct option is A. Glomerulus. 13. Which of these is not a normal constituent of urine, sugar, urea, or creatinine? 13. A. Urea. B. Sugar. C. Creatinine. D. All of these. The correct option is B. Sugar. 14. Which process does not occur in the nasal cavity? A. Trapping of large foreign bodies. C. Humidification of inhaled air. B. Exchange of gases. D. Warming of inhaled air. The correct option is B. Exchange of gases. 15. Exchange of air occurs in which are also known as air sacs. A. Alveolar ducts. B. Bronchi. C. Bronchioles. D. Alveoli. The correct option is D. Alveoli. 16. Write the correct sequence of the pathway through which air travels after entering the body. A. Larynx, pharynx, trachea, bronchioles. B. Pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchioles. C. Pharynx, larynx, bronchioles, trachea. D. Pharynx, trachea, larynx, bronchiole. The correct option is B. Pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchioles. 17. Normal rate of respiration in an adult human being is _________________ time/minute. A. 10 to 12, B. 12 to 20, C. 16 to 18, D. 22 to 24. The correct option is B. 12 to 20. 18. Investigates the body's structure, whereas investigates the processes or functions of living things. A. Physiology, cytology. B. Physiology, anatomy. C. Anatomy, histology. D. Anatomy, physiology. The correct option is D. Anatomy, physiology. 19. What is the normal heart rate of an adult man/woman? A. 30 to 70, C. 60 to 100, B. 40 to 80, D. 80 to 100. The correct option is C. 60 to 100. 20. Universal blood donor belongs to the blood group A, B, C, AB, D, O. The correct option is D, O. 21. Which of the following is produced by pancreas? A. Oxytocin, B. Calcitonin, C. Insulin, D. Estrogen. The correct option is C. Insulin. 22. Besides ADP, the end products of aerobic respiration are A. Lactic acid and pyruvic acid, B. Lactic acid and citric acid, C. Carbon dioxide and water, D. Carbon dioxide, lactic acid, and water. The correct option is C. Carbon dioxide and water. 23. Anaerobic respiration produce ADPs and as a waste product. A. 38. Carbon dioxide, B. 38. Lactic acid, C. 2. Water, D. 2. Lactic acid. The correct option is D. 2. Lactic acid. 24. Aerobic respiration produces ATPs and require oxygen. A. 2. Does not, B. 2. Does, C. 38. Does, D. 38 does not. The correct option is C. 38 does. 25. Given these parts of a nephron: 1. Renal corpuscle, 2. Collecting duct, 3. Loop of Henle, 4. Distal tubule, and 5. Proximal tubule. Arrange the filtration membrane through the nephron. The parts in order as fluid flows from A. 1 5 3 4 2, B. 2 4 1 3 5, C. 2.1.4.5.3, D. 4.2.3.5.1. The correct option is A. 1 5 3 4 2. 26. In a normal human cell, there is R dash pairs of autosomal chromosomes and dash R pairs of sex chromosomes. A. 23 23, B. 23 1, C. 22 1, D. 212. The correct option is C. 22 1. 27. Which organ system removes substances from the blood, combats disease, maintains tissue fluid balance, and absorbs fat from the digestive tract? A. Endocrine, B. Integumentary, C. Lymphatic, D. Respiratory. The correct option is C. Lymphatic. 28. Which organ system consists of hormone-secreting glands, such as the pituitary and thyroid glands? A. Endocrine, C. Lymphatic, D. Respiratory, B. Integumentary. The correct option is C. Lymphatic. 29. The wrist consists of 8 bones. A. Tarsal, E. Metacarpal, B. Carpal, D. Metatarsal. The correct option is B. Carpal. 30. Muscle cells that are cylindrical and branched, each with a single, centrally located nucleus, and that contract spontaneously are A. Cardiac muscle, C. Smooth muscle, B. Skeletal muscle, D. All of these. The correct option is A. Cardiac muscle. 31. The largest percentage of plasma is A. Proteins, B. Lons, C. Nutrients, D. Water. The correct option is D. Water. 32. All of the formed elements of the blood are derived from A. Erythrocytes, B. Leukocytes, C. Platelets, D. Stem cells. The correct option is 33. What are the leukocytes that produce antibodies and other chemicals? A. Basophils, B. Eosinophils, C. Lymphocytes. The correct option is C. Lymphocytes. 34. Blood is a type of A. Epithelial, B. Nervous tissue, C. Connective, D. Muscular. The correct option is C. Connective. 35. The liquid component of blood with the clotting factors removed is the A. Serum, B. Plasma, C. Lymph, D. Cytoplasm. The correct option is A. Serum. 36. Specialized lymphatic vessels located in the lining of the small intestine that help with absorption of fats and other substances from the digestive system are A. Villi, B. Nephrons, C. Lacteals, D. Tonsils. The correct option is C. Lacteals. 37. The transparent anterior portion of the outer eye coat which allows light rays to enter the interior of the eye is the A. Conjunctiva, B. Cumea, C. Iris, D. Sclera. The correct option is D. Sclera. 38. The colored, blue, brown, green, portion of the eye, as seen in an anterior view, which of the following? A. Choroid, B. Ciliary body, C. Cornea, D. Iris. The correct option is D. Iris. 39. Clouding of the lens occurs in which of these eye disorders? A. Cataract, B. Glaucoma, C. Strabismus, D. Trachoma. The correct option is A. Cataract. 40. Contraction of which of the following muscles is involved with changing the shape, thickening, of the lens? A. Ciliary muscles, B. Circular muscles of the iris, C. Orbicularis oculi, D. Radial muscles of the iris. The correct option is A. Ciliary muscles. 41. Which layer of the eye contains the photoreceptor cells? A. Choroid, B. Ciliary body, C. Retina, D. Sclera. The correct option is C. Retina. 42. Which of the following is commonly called photoreceptor cells? The blind spot of the eye because it lacks A. Canal of Schlemm, B. Fovea centralis, C. Optic disc, D. Pupil. The correct option is C. Optic disc. 43. An eye that is too long, or oval, results in poor distance vision, a disorder called nearsightedness on A. Astigmatism, B. Hyperopia, C. Myopia, D. Presbyopia. The correct option is C. Myopia. 44. The lipid hormones are either or derivatives of fatty acids. A. Glycolipids, B. Phospholipids, C. Steroids, D. Triglycerides. The correct option is C. Steroids. 45. The hypothalamus A. Regulates the secretory activity of the pituitary gland. B. Is connected to the pituitary gland by the optic chiasma. C. Has neurons that connect to the anterior pituitary. D. Contains the infundibulum, which secretes many hormones. The correct option is A. Regulates the secretory activity of the pituitary gland. 46. Oxytocin secretion causes A. Milk ejection in lactating females, C. Increased urine volume, B. Uterine contractions, D. Both A and B. The correct option is D. Both A and B. 47. Anterior pituitary hormones A. Have a long half-life, C. Include oxytocin and ADH. B. Bind to intracellular receptors. D. Are proteins. The correct option is C. Include oxytocin and ADH. 48. The acid that helps in digestion is A. Sulfuric acid, C. Acetic acid, B. Hydrochloric acid, D. None of these. The correct option is B. Hydrochloric acid. 49. Bile is secreted by A. Pancreas, B. Spleen, C. Stomach, D. Liver. The correct option is D. Liver. 50. The largest organ of the human body is A. Externa, B. Skin, C. Liver, D. Esophagus. The correct option is B. Skin. 51. The process by which large pieces of food are cut and crushed into smaller pieces is A. Emulsification, C. Absorption, B. Mechanical digestion, D. Peristalsis. The correct option is B. Mechanical digestion. 52. The enzyme in saliva helps to digest. A. Carbohydrates. B. Proteins. C. Fats. D. Minerals. The correct option is A. Carbohydrates. 53. The gastric juice produced in the stomach contains mucus, hydrochloric acid, and A. Bile. B. Lipase. C. Chyme. D. Pepsin. The correct option is D. Pepsin. 54. The wave-like movement of muscle of the digestive system is called A. Chemical digestion, C. Absorption, D. Peristalsis, B. Emulsification. The correct option is D. Peristalsis. 55. The enzyme that digests proteins is A. Pepsin, B. Chyme, C. Lipase, D. Bile. The correct option is A. Pepsin. 56. The tube that connects the mouth to the stomach is the A. Epiglottis, B. Esophagus, C. Pancreas, D. Liver. The correct option is B. Esophagus. 57. The process of breaking down large droplets of fat into small droplets of fat is called A. Emulsification, B. Absorption, C. Peristalsis, D. Digestion. The correct option is A. Emulsification. 58. Lipase, an enzyme found in the small intestine, digests A. Carbohydrates, B. Fats and oils, C. Proteins, D. Starches. The correct option is B. Fats and oils. 59. The digestion of all types of nutrients is completed in the A. Stomach, B. Esophagus, C. Small intestine, D. Large intestine. The correct option is C. Small intestine. 60. Food that leaves the stomach is in the form of a thick liquid is called A. Bile, B. Villus, C. Chyme, D. Pepsin. The correct option is C. Chyme.